So brief about yourself.
Sir, my name is Kuldeep Sharma, and sir, I belongs to Jaipur, and sir, I have completed my BTech in Electrical Engineering from SKIT in 2019, and I am sitting in front of you.
Any hobbies?
Sir, hobbies are sir yoga, and sir playing badminton also.
Playing badminton also. Okay. So what is the difference between yoga and pranayam?
Sir, yoga and pranayam.
Was a similar thing.
Sir, in one line, sir, pranayam is the subset of yoga.
Okay.
And sir, yoga involves several exercises. Sir, besides breathing exercises, there are some stretching exercises also. Sir, means different parts of body. Means it involves, yoga involves meditation also. But sir, pranayam does not involve meditation.
सूर्य नमस्कार सुना है आपने?
Yes sir, Surya Namaskar.
So is it yoga, pranayam? What it is?
Sir, it is a mixture of the two. It is a blending of yoga and sir pranayam. Sir, because it involves both breathing as well as exerging exercises.
Okay. Tell me any three terminologies used in the badminton.
Sir, smash, and sir dead shot.
Dead shot. Okay.
And sir one of these, sir, foul also. Foul is not a terminology.
साइना नेहवाल नाम सुना होगा आपने?
Yes sir, Saina Nehwal also.
कौन है वो? कोई
Sir,
मुझे दो तीन टाइटल बता दीजिए उनके जिन्होंने अपने नाम करवाए, कौन से फॉर्मेट में?
sir, don't know sir, but
शी इज बैडमिंटन प्लेयर ना?
yes sir, she is badminton player, and sir I think she has played at international level also many times, and sir she belongs to India only.
That's so obvious thing. Okay. So Kuldeep, you graduated in 2019,
Yes sir.
right? So in your def, I can see that you qualified the GATE 3 times.
Yes sir.
Tell me the marks out of 1000
Yes sir.
in each paper.
Sir, in each paper, sir, in
Okay, tell me the rank.
sir 3472
3472
in first attempt.
in 19.
Yes sir.
Okay, in 20.
And sir, in 20, sir, marks was decreased but rank was improved, and sir rank was improved to sir 2187
Okay.
2187, and sir
Okay.
now it is sir 1263.
1263. Okay. So have you got any PSU code?
No sir.
As I can see that your performance is continuously increasing,
Yes sir.
and it may be possible in 2022 if you will appear for the GATE exam, you will get under 500 rank.
Yes sir.
And if you get a call from PSU and parallelly you selected for the NRL post also.
Yes sir.
So in that case, what will you do? You left the NRL position?
No sir, I will continue with NRL because the motive for appearing in GATE examination is to getting a PSU job.
Yeah.
Yes sir, and sir NRL is also the PSU, Mini Ratna Cadre PSU it is, and sir it is one of the you can say sir growing PSU nowadays.
Okay, let's take any example, like you selected in any PSU which offers you the basically your posting near to your hometown,
Yes sir.
right? In that case,
Sir, in that case sir opinion may change, but sir it depends on the offer, and sir now
offers is basically, it is not a private company. Offers is fixed. Your
Okay, sir.
salary is fixed. Your all the allowances are fixed, already fixed.
sir my basic target was to join an oil PSU only.
HPCL, ONGC, BPCL, all are the refineries based.
Sir, actually it is my last chance because sir currently I am 24 years 2 months old, and sir I think it is my last chance to appear in the oil PSU.
In 2020 you can appear, na?
No sir, I think I will get an age of 25 years and 1 month that time.
But
Sir, it is the last chance to sit in another interview.
Maximum age in PSU selection 25 years only.
Yes sir, in oil PSUs like HPCL,
Are you
ONGC,
sure?
and yes sir, I am sure because sir I appeared in the HPCL examination also, and some of my friends, some of my seniors didn't get that did not come into that criteria.
You mentioned here that you were the team leader for the BTech project, right?
Yes, sir, I was the
What are your responsibilities, or you can say how you played a team leader role there?
Sir, I was sir, different roles I performed over there. Sir, in my college, I have to conduct so many seminars regarding the project, and sir, regarding
You conduct the seminars.
Yes, sir, I conduct.
How many members were there?
Sir, 4 members,
Four.
including
you.
Yes, sir.
4 members are there. Okay.
Then, sir, managing, purchasing all the things from the market, sir, getting the inventory, and sir, assembling them properly, and sir, coding skills were also used that time. So, sir, me and one of my computer science friend were involved in that, and sir, after the submission of project, I was in the Viva voice examination also. There was separate Viva voice examination for me also that time. Because they were just doubting on us that did you purchase that project from market? So sir, they were not believing on our performance that time.
Was there any difficulties?
Yes, sir, there were so many difficulties, and sir, one of the difficulty was sir, cost overrun was there that time. Sir, we invested around 16 to 17,000 rupees on that drone only, but sir, not finally, sir, in the middle of the stage, sir, we were just that time that was a headache that time, and sir, it was not not in the control of that remote, and sir, finally after some changes and some implementation of the microcontroller interfacing like that, sir, we were succeeded in that project at the last moment.
Okay, tell me your greatest failure.
Sir, greatest failure, sir, I sometimes not managed to do my things properly. Sir, sometimes sometimes I become so lazy that my room generally, sir, all the things.
It's not a failure.
Sir, it's not a failure. Sir, at one time, sir, I got a call from Service Selection Board, sir, Army. So, sir, that time I was not having the proper document over there. And sir, one instructor caught me over there that you are not having all the original documents over there. So, sir, I was not allowed to attend the interview at that time. Sir, during my final year only, I was just I want to attend the SSB interview one time only. That time I attended that interview.
It shows your
A lack of responsibility over there.
So that quality is basically nowadays आप में है अभी भी?
No, sir.
नहीं?
No, sir. I just
Overcome?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So tell me, Kuldeep, what do you think, or is there anything in your mind that okay, after the NRL position,
Yes, sir.
I want to give that kind of contribution in the company?
Sir, if NRL hires me, sir, then in any of the NRL project regarding manufacturing or like manufacturing maintenance or any kind of engineering project, sir, there will be 2 responsibilities that will be played by me. That is no cost overrun, and secondly, that is quality improvement, continuous quality improvement. Because sir, NRL is a big organization, and the success of any organization depends on the people's performance, the team players.
Don't you think so that basically you will face the struggle because of the location?
No, sir. Sir, my priority is to make my career, and sir, nowadays, because in today's scenario, sir, distance or location is not the major concern.
I mean, in terms of if we talk in terms of language, in terms of the people, in terms of culture, there's a lot of difference.
Sir, what I believe is, sir, my colleagues will definitely understand me. They will definitely recognize me, and sir, after some time, I will get used to.
Okay. So you write it badminton and carom also. You are basically carom is also your hobby.
Yes, sir. Carom is also my hobby.
Okay. कैरम कहाँ का गेम है ये?
Sir, sorry sir, I don't know.
अच्छा, मुझे बताइए कैरम में कितनी बेसिकली वो होती हैं, जो आप क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कितने पीसेस ऑफ वो होते हैं?
Coins, pieces of coins, sir. Sir, I think it is 9 black coins. And
9 black coins.
Yes, sir.
Only 9 black coins. Okay, 9 black coins.
9 black coins and sir 9 yellow coins.
Yellow coins.
And sir 1 queen.
1 coin.
Queen.
Okay. So
Sir, that is the standard, but means
Okay.
standard pieces of that, but not conventionally. We do not use that convention.
So every time you run for the queen, or is it okay if you will get
No,
the
no, sir.
black and
I
yellow?
just run for the amount that I.
Okay.
Now tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Krishna Kumar Gugulot. I belong to Jangam district of Telangana state. I did my schooling from Telangana Residential School, and I did my graduation from NIT Andhra Pradesh. We are 5 members in the family. Father is farmer and mother is homemaker. Currently, I am preparing for PSU and GATE exams, ma'am.
Okay. What is the meaning of your name?
Ma'am, Krishna is a Sanskrit word which means one who is with black skin and one who attracts all.
Okay. Who is your role model?
Ma'am, my role model is Virat Kohli because yeah, I know like from childhood I know how he reached his goals to that level. So I made him as a role model.
Right now he is a captain of our India team.
Ma'am, he is continuing captain of Test as well as ODI, but he is not captain of T20s, ma'am.
Okay. Now who is?
Rohit Sharma is current captain of T20s, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What makes you happy and why?
Ma'am, I feel like helping others financially or by guiding others. I feel happy because yeah, if I help someone, then if they reach to their goals, I will feel very proud because I think that I helped someone I helped someone to reach their goal.
Okay. Now tell me something about Telangana.
Ma'am, Telangana is a new state that is formed in 2014, which is divided from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, ma'am. That what more means? Can you ask some specific? Then I will say, ma'am.
Specific about?
Ma'am, if you ask any specific things, then I will explain. Any specific thing?
I'm asking about a specific Telangana. Means what is famous about that and area and what is whichever you know.
Ma'am, specific means there are many things,
Because
but
because this place belongs to you, right? That's why
Yes.
I am asking you.
I say Hyderabad is a famous city in Telangana. It is also a metro city. It is one of the most developing city in our country, I say.
Okay.
Okay, Himanshu, are you audible?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good noon. Yes. So, Himanshu, my question is for you that what kinds of things are motivates you for joining the NRL? Rather, I can say what kinds of things are joined to basically to join the government service.
Yes, sir. Sir, public sector undertake since NRL is a PSU and PSUs are the best employer. I think so. PSUs are
Okay.
the best employer, not only in terms of salary, in terms of other allowances like medical facilities and house rent allowances and many other allowances, sir. And as I have talked to Satyaveer sir, I have told him that my grandfather was in sale, and my maternal uncle, my mama, is also in NTPC. So I have watched them.
Okay.
There are lots of incentives and allowances that the this PSU sale NTPC like give to them best quarter and the best salary. Job security is also there, and work-life balance between family and profession. And it will also be and it is a reputed company, sir. Like all other PSUs, NRL is also a reputed company, sir. And it was my dream to be in there. Not only my dream, my family's dream is also there, because from my childhood I was in Bucharest Steel City. I was with my grandfather, so uh, that's why these things motivates me to join NRL.
So, Himanshu, nowadays, you know what so basically the PSUs are now privatized.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes,
what
sir.
you say? This action of government is appreciable or not?
Sir, according to me, uh, PSUs are privatizing. It's okay, but I think so that the profit-making PSUs should not be privatized. Profit-making PSUs should not be privatized. Loss-making PSUs should be privatized. That's my opinion, sir.
So, what kind of things are what loss making PSUs like? What kind of losses?
Sir, just recently, Government of India had just cleared their not to privatize the Air India, sir. From I think from many time from last I don't actually know the year, sir, but Air India was in loss from many times, sir.
So there
Actually,
is
and
Himanshu. There is only one option. Only the option of option have the government like
no, sir.
PSU is privatized. No, any
No,
other
sir.
option
Actually,
have the government. What do you say?
mm,
If you are the
total.
PM, if you
Yes,
are
sir.
the PM, suppose, then what
Mm.
is your action? You immediately privatize the
No,
PSUs or
sir.
not?
No,
Then
no.
what will your
It was
action?
not. If I were the PM, then I will definitely not directly privatize the PSU. Uh, Actually, sir,
Then what kind of
if
things you do that time
uh, sir,
for loss
I
making
am
PSUs?
I just want to tell that the PSUs which are in very loss and which have a lot of debt on banks and which have taken a lot of loans from banks, and from that loan they are just giving salary to their employees, and they didn't have and those PSUs are even they are not producing so much that they can use they can use that money for their firm or for their organization. So, in my opinion, that the those PSUs which are in very high debt, that should be privatized, sir.
Okay, Himanshu, just one question. Who is your ideal apart from your family members? Does you
Sir,
want to follow that personality? Just one name,
uh,
like your teacher, any teacher you like that. Yes, I want to follow them personality. Any person in your life
yes,
you
sir.
want to follow their personality.
Sir,
Any film stars.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So why?
Sir, as you know, sir, he was the he was not only the he was not only the president of our
Actually,
country.
what you learn from him? I want to ask you. If you APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab is your idol, then what you learned from him? Tell me the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab.
Sir, Abul Fakir Jainul-Abdin
Fakir.
Kalam.
Are you sure? You are correct.
Abul Fakir Jainul-Abdin Kalam. Yes.
So in this name, which what is your what is his father name?
Don't know, sir.
Okay, you don't know even the name, and you say APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab is my idol. You don't know even their name exactly. Okay, so you read any book of APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab?
Sir, actually, uh, my mama has given me one book, Wings of Fire by APJ Abdul Kalam, but
So you
but
read
I
that?
didn't. No, sir, I didn't read
Okay.
that.
Okay. So Himanshu, what are the hobbies you have? Whether I can say what you do in your part time,
Sir,
what you like to do basically.
I
Hmm.
told in my introduction that
Okay.
sir, in the meantime, I watch the YouTube videos like various comedy shows and prank videos, and even I watch blogs of trains on YouTube. There are very much bloggers that make videos on trains. Actually, I
What you say,
am.
Himanshu? Pranks on YouTube are good or bad?
mm,
If they are in serious mode, what do you say? These are goods or bad for the man or woman who has stick to prank?
In my opinion, it is not so good.
Okay. So now Himanshu, my next question is what you have uniqueness, rather I can say what you find uniqueness in you so that you can compare you with many of the aspirants.
Sir,
So that we select you only. Any uniqueness you find in you.
sir, sir, I will say I am very much hardworking, sir. I am very much devoted to my work, and I am very much punctual and sincere. I think so, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Himanshu. So I directed your interview for technical round to Himanshu sir. Okay. We all give you feedback after the over the interview. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
सो आपका प्रोजेक्ट किस टॉपिक पर था फाइनल ईयर?
Sir, my project was on speed control of synchronous motor, vector control, speed control by vector controlling of synchronous motors.
Okay. Can you tell me that what is synchronous machine?
The synchronous machine is basically having a rotor and a stator, and its armature is placed on its stator, and its field winding is placed on its rotor. And when it works on the principle of Faraday's law, where the time varying, the flux, space varying flux produces EMF.
Okay. So can you tell me that why we just put the armature winding on the stator, not on the rotor?
Sir, actually, basically, synchronous machine is used for generation, as a generator mostly. So, if we would place, there are so many reasons. If we would place armature on stator, or sorry, rotor, then there will be huge current passing through. We would have to collect that current, so there will be huge loss in brushes. So that would create a lot of loss. And as well as there is one more reason: if we would place armature on a stator rotor, so it would keep a mechanical disbalance in motor as well, because it would have it would need a high insulation.
Okay, so can you tell me that the synchronous motor is self-started or not?
Synchronous motor is not self-started, sir.
So how do we start it? Can you elaborate the process?
Sir, we can start synchronous motor by induction motor. We can like an induction motor. I mean we can, or damping. We can use damping bars in induction with semi-synchronous motor, and damp and
What is the sequential process to start the synchronous motor?
synchronous motor, sir. Synchronous motor. No, but sequential process, sir. I do not remember, sir, right now.
Okay. Can you tell me that how many types of synchronous machines are there?
How many taps?
Synchronous machines are of how many types?
The permanent magnet synchronous motor and field winding field.
According to the construction of the rotor.
According to the construction of the rotor is so वो permanent magnet synchronous motor and field connected synchronous motor, I mean like wired controlled synchronous motor.
What is PMMS कह सकते हो? That's okay. PMMS. Okay. Permanent magnet synchronous motor. PMSM. What is PMSM?
Sir, it is having a permanent magnet on its rotor instead of having a field winding in rotor.
What is the advantage of that permanent magnet?
Permanent magnet, sir. We do not use brushes in the rotor for supplying field current, and it can be and
Is there any application of the PMSM?
PMSM is currently used in electric vehicles, sir.
Why so?
Sir, actually, I do not know the actual reason, but it is being used.
Okay. Can you tell me that which synchronous motor will be more stable? That is silent pole synchronous motor or cylindrical pole synchronous motor?
Stable. There's no one. It's a salient pole, sir.
Salient pole will be more stable. Why so?
The salient poles is having a what? I do not know, but it is stable, sir.
Okay. And what are the applications of the synchronous motor?
Sir, synchronous motor, sir,
Yes.
it is used in phase modifier, and currently it is being used in electric vehicles, and it is also.
That's okay. So can you tell me that why silent pole? Okay, that you don't know about that. That why silent pole is more efficient. That's okay. Tell me which synchronous generator is more efficient: silent pole rotor or cylindrical pole rotor? Which synchronous generator will be more stable?
Stable. I don't know.
Okay, I think it is also silent pole generator. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me that why we always use cylindrical rotor synchronous generator everywhere in the power plants, not silent pole synchronous generator? What is the reason behind that?
Sir, salient pole cylindrical rotors is being, I think it is being used in hydropower plants mostly, and cylindricals are used in thermal power plant, nuclear power plants.
Okay, that's okay. So what are the main difference between the silent pole that it will provide the lower speed of the generator? What is the reason behind that?
Sir, Fail, lower speed. I do not remember.
Okay. So, which subject do you prefer for most? What are your
Sir,
favorite?
power system, sir.
Okay. Tell me about the surge impedance loading. What is the physical significance of surge impedance loading?
Sir, surge impedance loading is having when we supply. It is when the source, the reactive power loss in our transmission line is zero because of the line inductance supplies or its reactive power to capacitance in the line, and the capacitance all it supplies reactive energy to its inductance in the line.
Is it practically possible to get the ideal transmission line?
Mm, Ideal, sir. I think it is not practically possible. I think, sir.
Then what is the practical use of surge impedance loading?
So practical use it for supplying maximum power through transmission line.
Okay, for maximum power transfer, what we will need to do for the surge impedance loading?
Sir, for surge impedance losing the SIL should be equals to the load connected in the and at the end of the transmission line.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the Ferranti effect?
Ferranti effect is the increase of it generally occurs in the long and medium transmission line, and it is the increase of voltage at load and then the source end because of the capacitance present at on the transmission line at lightly and no load condition.
What is lightly loaded condition?
Lightly loaded condition means having a low current power passing through transmission line is low.
Low means what? How much low it is?
So
regarding what we just compare this load, so we just said that this is the light load.
I think, sir, I do not know the numbers, but it should less than 10% or 5%, something like that.
Suppose you are working at a 220 kV GSS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the surge impedance loading of that substation?
Sir, around 300 to 500.
How do you calculate this particular parameter?
Sir, that the surge impedance of overhead transmission line is around 300 to 500, and the cables is 330 to 50 ohm.
Actually, I'm not asking about the surge impedance. I'm talking about the surge impedance loading. Loading means the power.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking that what is the load or what is the power? Load means, do you just understand that load means this is not the impedance, this is the power.
Okay.
So tell me the power in the megawatts.
Make 220 kV.
220 kV GSS, yes. Is there any formula to calculate the surge impedance loading?
The V square upon ZS equals to P.
So this is the formula. What is the V? 220 kV.
220 upon ZS is.
And ZS is what?
400.
300 to 500.
Yes, sir.
So we can calculate from here, I think, surge impedance loading.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here we can calculate the surge impedance loading. Now tell me one thing, that your actual connected load from the GSS should be greater than this surge impedance loading or should be less than this surge impedance loading?
Sir, should be equal to, if we want to transfer maximum power, then it should be surge impedance should equal to the loading.
You can't equalize the surge impedance loading. You are only equalize the connected load. So what should be the connected load? Equal to surge impedance loading, less than surge impedance loading, or greater than surge impedance loading?
Less than, it should be less than, I think.
Connected load should be less than surge impedance loading.
Yes, sir.
Actually, do you know that Ferranti effect, in Ferranti effect, what is lightly loaded condition? Lightly loaded condition means that if your GSS have, suppose, 300 megawatt surge impedance loading, then you have to at least deliver a particular load of 300 megawatt. It means At least means you should have the connected load always greater than the surge impedance loading. If you have less than surge impedance loading, if your connected load is less than surge impedance loading, then it is called lightly loaded condition.
Yes,
Then
sir.
it is called what? Lightly loaded.
Lightly loaded.
So what is the mean of lightly loaded in the Ferranti effect? If your connected load is less than surge impedance loading, then it is called lightly loaded. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So what should be our connected load? Greater than always surge impedance loading. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I just finish the technical round also. मैं आपको feedback दे देता हूँ. उत्कर्ष, you are okay with the technical? That's okay. आप सही से बता पा रहे हो, कोई इशू नहीं है. आपका इंटरव्यू कितनी तारीख को है? On which date?
6th of December. 6th December.
Okay, okay. So it is just after 2 days, okay? So
Yes.
it's okay. Technical के लिए बहुत सही हो. कुछ questions और ready कर लेना आप technical question सर से मांग लेना. Especially आप अपना थोड़ा सा project
टॉपिक्स
वगैरह को.
अच्छा सब प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मतलब क्या क्या मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा? जैसे
प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आपको जो आपका प्रोजेक्ट है वो पूरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. यानी जब सिंक्रोनस मशीन और उसका स्पीड कंट्रोल है तो दोनों चीजें आपको पढ़नी पड़ेगी.
अच्छा ठीक है सर.
ठीक है ना. सिंक्रोनस मशीन में आप पीएमएसएम के बारे में भी अच्छे से पढ़ के जाना, क्योंकि पीएमएसएम का बहुत ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है अभी, स्पेशली इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स में और विंड जनरेशन में. विंड पावर प्लांट में भी सब जगह क्या यूज हो रहा है? पीएमएसएम यूज हो रहा है.
PMSM.
इसका ब्रशलेस डीसी मोटर से कंपैरिजन जरूर देख के जाना, क्योंकि पीएमएसएम का सबसे मेन फायदा ब्रशलेस बनाना है. और ब्रशलेस हम डीसी मोटर भी बना सकते थे, तो हम ब्रशलेस डीसी मोटर को यूज ना करके पीएमएसएम को क्यों प्रिफर कर रहे हैं? ये कुछ एडवांटेजेस पीएमएसएम के देख कर जाना. ठीक है ना. और कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको पावर सिस्टम और मशीन से कृष्णा से प्रोवाइड करा देंगी जो आपका इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करवा रहा है. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
तो आप उनसे बोल दीजिएगा सर वो क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड करा दीजिए.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.